In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell high-end canvas art on Shopify. To get started, the most important thing is to set up your products in a way that looks premium, feels trustworthy, and makes it easy for customers to understand what they are buying. You will be guided through adding a product listing, entering the right details, uploading strong images, setting a price that matches the high-end experience, and saving everything so it goes live in your store. First, click Products. This takes you to the area of your Shopify dashboard where you manage everything related to what you sell. When you are on the Products page, take a quick moment to confirm you are in the correct section. You should see a place to view your existing products, and you should also be able to add a new one. Next, click Add Product. This opens the product creation screen. At this stage, Shopify is basically asking you to build the product card that customers will see. This includes the name, description, images, pricing, and the key information that helps a visitor decide to buy. So take your time here and make sure you are creating the listing for the exact canvas art piece you want to sell. Now, enter your canvas art details. This is where you provide the essential information about the artwork. Use a clear product title that accurately describes the piece, and write details that help customers visualize it in their space. Focus on the artwork itself, the style, and any relevant specifics such as size, materials, and what makes the piece feel high-end. If your description includes helpful context, such as the inspiration behind the artwork or the quality of the print, customers will feel more confident. Keep your wording polished and straightforward, because premium customers often expect a premium presentation. After you enter the details, add high-quality product images. This step matters the most for canvas art, because buyers cannot physically see the texture or scale when they are shopping online. Strong images help them connect with the artwork and understand the design clearly. Use images that are crisp, well-lit, and show the canvas art from angles that make the piece feel real. If you have multiple photos, choose images that highlight the composition and color accuracy. Make sure the artwork looks consistent and true to life, since any blur or poor lighting can make even a great piece seem less premium. Once the images are added, set a premium price. This is your opportunity to match the value of the artwork and position your brand as high-end. When you set a premium price, you are not just charging for the canvas, you are signaling quality and exclusivity. Shopify will display this price to customers right on the product page, so it should align with your overall store style and customer expectations. If you have considered your costs and the market for similar canvas art, now is the moment to enter that final premium number with confidence. After you set the price, click Save. This confirms your product listing and stores the information in your Shopify admin. It is a good idea to pause for a second and verify that everything you entered is correct, especially the title, the images, and the price. Saving is what makes your product officially part of your store, so you want to make sure there are no mistakes before customers see it. And there you have it. You clicked Products, added a new product, entered your canvas art details, uploaded high-quality images, set a premium price, and saved your listing. That covers everything you need to know.